Tonewood Brewing is a brewery. To me, craft beer is about quality, community, and sustainability. All the decisions that we do make here affect each one of those aspects. I just saw the beer culture in Germany. I can't get this German-style wheat beer in America readily, so let me try and make it. It was bad. We weren't very good home brewers, I'll admit it. After a trip out to Colorado, I decided to pack up and move out west and kind of fell into a brewing job at that point. And that was when I realized all of the things we were doing wrong. From there, it was just became a passion. My wife, she was like, if we move back to New Jersey, I'll support us. You know, you can take the dive into opening a brewery. We were fortunate. We opened our doors and it was instant buy-in from the community. We were just kind of chasing our tails, trying to keep up with making enough beer. Got that first canning line. You know, we were hand loading the cans onto the canning line and catching them as they fell off. You know, it was probably ran the line at around 24 cans per minute. We were at the point at our Oakland facility where we couldn't produce any more beer. And there was markets that we wanted to get into and explore more. We were looking to rent a spot. Walked into the building and instantly was like, oh man, we're gonna have to buy this place. In my opinion, packaging's the most important aspect of your operation. You could do everything perfectly to that beer, but if you don't have, you know, a proper packaging operation, the beer that the customer is going to get is not going to be what you intended it to be. Just in our research of trying to get the quality production equipment that some of the bigger breweries are able to employ, we came across BW Packaging. Gonna have to go in this direction and bring this into the brewery. It's a no-brainer. Yeah, and it took us from 6,000 barrels when we left Oakland, and I think the first year that we were in production here, we did almost 10,000. So it was a big jump right away. So it allowed us to really fill in with those demands that were right there for us. Yeah, we were starting to continue to grow, and the canning line basically did become a bottleneck at that point. Eldon calls me and is like, hey, we got this really cool new line coming out. It's you guys are pushing it to the limit over there. We knew they were the right team to show us the ropes and take the time to teach us how the machine operated and be there to support us when we needed it. Less beer waste, and it's really, really, really consistent. You're never having low fills or off fills. Once you dial it in and start the lineup, it really just likes to run, and it runs perfectly. It made it so the packaging wasn't the bottleneck anymore. So we'll be producing around 15,000 barrels this year. We did around 14,000 last year. So right now we're in a great spot. Whenever we had a problem, their team would be right on it for us, whether it's, FaceTiming or, getting us a part the next day not to slow our production down. I kind of never thought that when we were starting it, what it would look like in 10 years and what that would mean for the family. And just looking back and looking at it now, it's awesome. It makes me, really happy to think that, we've done this together. The people that work here are the people that make it all happen. We can continue doing the things that we want to do to support our core values of, quality, community, sustainability. So it's about moving in the direction to continue to support this. It's just awesome. We have a great community of people that are behind Tonewood.